Shults Ford, speaking now on behalf of 100.7, the Education Partnership, and Shults Ford. That's the partnership that allows us to do this every year. We collect backpacks, we do a backpack drive. This year, over 3,100 so far. We're not done yet. It really does take a village. That may or may not be a buzzword, but it really does take a village. It becomes such a wonderful part of the 500 community that not only is the need filled, but it becomes a really cool thing to be part of. To be able to watch and to know the fact that I just heard that $1 creates $5 worth of supplies. And that's just really a wonderful fact. And 55,000 people need it. We're here for that. We're not here. We don't care whether we sold a card today. It's not about that. This is about what we do for you and what we do for this community. And I thank you all. And this is Richard Bazzy, and I'm about to pull Bubba into this. So if is this going to be too long? Because I'm going to pull Bubba right here, because this is the man.
No.
This is the man.
We do this together. We do. Listen, I wasn't even here when he was talking, but I can tell you what he said.
Go ahead.
How thankful we are, because we couldn't do anything without the people watching this.
The city of Pittsburgh.
And
it's unbelievable.
And everything that we do is about bringing people together. It's all about togetherness. It's about helping each other. If we can't help each other, then we're not doing anything.
You know what else I said? I said that not only does it become part of the 500 community,
right,
it also starts to become a kind of a cool thing for people to be involved in.
Yep.
To be able to do something which to us really might not be a big deal, to watch it make such a big impact.
It is. It's unbelievable. 3,000 backpacks later, that's 3,000 kids that are going to go to school prepared.
And it's unbelievable that this started on a whim, right? You saw,
yep,
you just happened to notice in your own home,
yeah,
that because kids always always want the new backpack for
yep,
the school year, when there's nothing wrong with the old backpack.
Yep.
And you happened to notice it,
yep,
one day and said, hey, why don't we do this?
And here we are. Here we are, all these years later, and the city of Pittsburgh keeps supporting more and more and more, and we're beyond thankful.
And I know you all love it, and I want to tell you how I know. I know it because of everything you've seen me do, advertising, whether it's television or the radio, no matter what we do. Wow. The number one place that you know me from is right here with Bubba, and that makes the biggest impact on everything we do. And so we continue to try to use that relationship as a platform and a foundation to help the rest of the city. Right?
Thank you. And I love you.
I talk to you.
I love you.